this video I'm going to show you the best free guitar plugins and also how to make realistic guitars using MIDI and not being able to know how to play guitar. I've been reading some of your guys' comments and you've been letting me know what video ideas you want, and someone said VST or plugin reviews. So you know what, I thought I don't know what plugins to really review, so if you have any, let me know in the comments. But what I do know is that I have a couple free guitar plugins that are pretty good, and I like making guitar melodies in MIDI, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do this. So I plugged in this guitar melody real quick on Flex. It sounds like this. It's the first plugin, it's Flex. It's a pretty banging plugin. So many presets, not just for guitars, just for everything really. Synths, strings, drums. Literally you can get drums from this. So if you're using FL Studio, make sure you're using Flex because it's a banging plugin, okay? The preset I like to use is chill guitar, and I basically just turn off the pad mix and the reverb and delay because I like to add my own, and just turn up the guitar noises so it just can get like the strumming noises and like the string scratch noises and stuff like that. The next plugin is Ample Guitar Lite. So this is a free plugin. I've had it for ages, and this one sounds really realistic, but it is only acoustic guitar. So this one, it sounds really good. It sounds like an acoustic guitar. Obviously, yeah, and there's way more controls, and like you can edit it and stuff like this. You add all that, boom. There's so much you can do with this. Me personally, I don't really like to use it because I don't really like the plugin that much. I think it's too realistic almost. Like you have to plug it in like really how you'd play a guitar. But you know, that's just me. If you like the sound, then it definitely sounds good for a free plugin as well. So definitely check it out. I've had this plugin for a while, I've been using it for a while, but yeah, obviously since Flex has come out with the guitar presets, and I haven't really been using it. But yeah, the next one is actually dynamic guitars. Yeah, and I like to use the nylon one, and it gives it a really plucky feel. Yeah, all of the presets sound good. There's like 3 presets and a couple things you can mess with here. But also the thing I like about this one is that you can do like I don't know what it's called, like that. You can do that. So you can come up with some cool effects, cool melodies with that. If you turn the velocity all the way up, it does that. Yeah, you can fiddle around with it. It's a pretty good plugin, and you know what? It's fire. Next plugin is actually Labs. It's made by Spitfire Audio, which do a lot of sample library. Basically, they make contact libraries, but Labs is their free one where you can just do whatever. They just put their free presets there like every month they put another free bank on there, and yeah, that is what it is. You can use it, you can not use it. So yeah, so that's why it's one of the best ones, because they update it every month. I'm pretty sure I get like an email through every couple months. They're like, oh, new bank release. So, and they're high quality sounds as well, so it's pretty good. But yeah, you can use like the electric guitar. I like the yeah, see, they added more. This used to be the only electric guitar, and then they added this. And this one sounds pretty cool. The 80s plucks, I like that. You can make cool leads with that. Let's see what it sounds like. But basically, they're my like, four plugins that are lit for guitars and are free. You can definitely make it sound a lot better. Something that you can do. So if you own like a guitar rig, you can even get like a guitar rig for free as a trial, and just bounce it out and not worry about it. But anyway, yeah, I think this is a trial anyway of this guitar rig thing. It's not guitar rig, but basically really makes it sound like a guitar, you know, for all of them as well. What I do is add some effects. So let me go EQ just to remove some lows, like this. Boost them on the highs so you can get that really like sparkly sound I like. And then so what I did add after the EQ is like a delay. I usually go for a delay, just delay it out. Boom. Turn the mix down. Then I'd add like another delay to make it more ambient. I like this Valhalla Supermassive like default preset. Just add it on and just turn it down like quite a lot to 18%, and you know what? It just adds some ambience to it. But then I'll just add a reverb. And then wider, to make it wider, or chorus, depending. Then I'd add some distortion, so I might add a saturation knob. And we're just gonna yeah, and it sounds pretty cool. That sounds wavy though. That's wavy. I might have to use this in a beat, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it's free plugin. You just add effects onto it, like without effects. Sounds kind of mid, but ooh. But yeah, literally make the most of your free plugins. Just add effects to it, you know, especially with guitars, especially guitars. Okay, when you're trying to make them using MIDI, you have to remember guitars are never dry. Never. Literally never dry. Okay, they always at least have reverb. Just add effects. Okay, distortion, reverb, delay, chorus, which is wider, and EQ just to clean it up a little bit. But anyway, check out this video because it's gonna help you out. So